Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this October the 24th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. But it's a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics in the lower 48. And we're going to start off here with Tropical Storm Melissa, which is located south of Haiti. Continue to grow in strength. You can see a lot of rapid intensification will occur over the weekend. Still expected to become a category 4. Could even become a category 5 as well. We'll take a look at the intensity guidance toward in just a few minutes. You can see it's got another little tropical wave right behind Melissa trying to develop there as well. And also we got another little system here coming on to the corner of the screen. Got another little tropical wave also moving in that direction as well. You can see a cold front stretching from the northern tropical Atlantic down toward Melissa. Then we got scattered activity of South America, Central America. We got more tropical waves in the Eastern Pacific. Even got a tropical storm there as well, right in this area here. We got another storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest, the atmospheric river moving into that region. Continuing in Northern California, the Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, and portion of Montana. Got some severe weather going on down here in Texas, stretching in Oklahoma. Got some activity also in the portion of Missouri, stretching over toward Alabama, Mississippi, and portion of northern Georgia and Tennessee regions as well. But right now, should remain quiet along the East Coast right now. But we'll take a look at the severe weather towards the end of the video also, because we're expecting another slight to marginal risk of severe weather once again on your Saturday. Alright, let's move on to Melissa. Tropical Storm Melissa. Here's the tropical storm force winds here in yellow. Here remains a hurricane through 2 p.m. Saturday. You can see tropical storm warnings in effect for western and southwestern Haiti, all of the Jamaica region. They have not issued tropical storm warnings or hurricane warnings yet, but I would not be surprised to see that issued for Cuba, central and southern Bahamas, and the Turks and Caicos Islands as well. If you're tracking this system at home, it's located near latitude 16.0 north, longitude 74.3 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 65 miles an hour with higher gusts. Movement to the north at 2 miles an hour. Not a very fast movement, remains very, very slow. You can see it becomes a major hurricane on Sunday and remain a major hurricane through Tuesday as it makes landfall in Jamaica. And then it becomes a category 2 hurricane over here in areas of the moving into the Bahamas there and the Turks and Caicos Island as a category 2 hurricane by 2 p.m. Wednesday. Alright, now let's take a look at the forecast Spaghetti-O models. Most of them are now in agreement. This is the outlier, taking it a little further to the west. Florida right now, you look like you're in the clear, but I would not be surprised you could get some outer rain band from portion of Melissa as it continue to grow in size. Here it goes, moving into Jamaica, east, central, and east of Cuba, and then off toward Bermuda. Y'all going to get impacted by this storm as well as that system continue to race on off to the east, moving to the northeast. Alrighty, now let's move on to the well, I think I done, let's go back. I think I accidentally exited out the intensity guidance. We're going to take a look at the intensity guidance of Melissa as well. Yeah, I think I exited out. Apologize for that, folks. Okay, here's the intensity guidance. Should be coming up here in just a minute, and then we'll take a look at your local forecast coming up. All right, here's the intensity guidance. 50 knot winds equal to 65 miles an hour. You can see it moving into a tropical storm, moving to a category 1. Most of the models do take it into a category 3 and 4. So even some takes it almost to a 5. That's why I said I would not rule out a category 5 as warm waters is in the tropical Atlantics. I mean in the Caribbean Sea. So, and then eventually lots of decrease in rapid intensity will continue to decline over about 168 hours out. Becomes a tropical storm and then a tropical wave over the central and northern tropical Atlantic, because the waters are beginning to cool down in that region. So alright, now we can move on to your local forecast, but first If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Alright, got some mixed precipitation up here in portion of Maine, northern New Hampshire, Vermont, also portion of New York State. Also up here, a little bit of shower activity up here around northwestern Pennsylvania, northeast Ohio, and also western New York State. A little bit of thunderstorms and showers over South Florida, Florida Keys, along with frontal boundary, and also some outer rain bands from Melissa. We got thunderstorms and showers for southeastern Texas to Missouri to Kansas. Shower activity from Tennessee to Michigan to Wisconsin to Iowa to Kansas to northern Texas. Thunderstorms and showers from central and northern California to western Washington and Oregon State. A little bit of inland areas as well. Got some severe weather once again for Texas to Louisiana, and some heavy rain flash flooding over east Texas to Arkansas and Mississippi to Louisiana. And got mixed precipitation as well over here in California, Nevada, Utah, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon states as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches warning. Your Sunday forecast. Get ahead of myself. Let's move on to your Sunday forecast now, as it continues to load up here. We've got thunderstorms and showers for Washington, Oregon State, coastal waters, also along northern Gulf, eastern Florida, much of Florida, Atlantic coastal waters, the Carolina, South Carolina, Kentucky, to Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, Arkansas. Shower activity from South Carolina to Virginia, West Virginia, portion of Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky. More activity from Kansas to Colorado through the Dakotas, Minnesota, Iowa, portion of Montana, northeast Wyoming. A little bit of shower activity in areas of Washington and northern Oregon State, central and southern California. Even some shower activity from eastern Rhode Island up to eastern Maine. Mixed precipitation portion of New Brunswick to Maine to New Hampshire to Vermont and New York State as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright, now let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Now we can get there. Okay, we got frost and freeze products from portions of Connecticut down to north southern New York State, also toward Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Washington D.C. to Virginia, to western North Carolina, central and northern western North Carolina, also Kentucky, Tennessee, portion of western Pennsylvania, Ohio, and also in Indiana. Special weather statements over central and south Georgia. There's that severe thunderstorm watch with ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings and flash flood warnings in effect for Texas, and also a couple counties in areas of Oklahoma. Flood watches there as well in portions of central and south Texas, north Texas, and Oklahoma. Dense fog advisories in areas of Kansas and Nebraska. Wind advisories, high wind warnings for Oregon, Washington, also portion of Montana. Also more wind advisories in Nevada and California and Idaho. Also we have some winter weather advisories through Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, and Montana. Even got a winter storm warning for one county or a couple counties in western areas of Wyoming. Alright, we got small craft advisory, gale warning for southeast Georgia, Florida Keys, all the way back to southeast Texas, southern California up to Oregon State. Storm warnings in purple around the Hawaiian Chain Island with red flag warnings there as well. To the north in Alaska, freezing spray warnings, west and southwest, some small craft advisories. Alright, now let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your Saturday. Marginal risk over here around Portland to Eugene to Medford to Boise. General thunderstorm from Seattle to Spokane to over here toward Idaho and also northern California. Also down toward Brownsville, Texas, to Lubbock, to Wichita, to Springfield, to Jackson, Mississippi. Slight risk from San Antonio to Austin, to Waco, to Alexandria, Lupkin. Also you guys in Houston over toward New Orleans, right on the marginal risk there, Shreveport, all the way down to Corpus Christi. Tornado probability looks like this: 5 and 2% down here along the Gulf Coast, 2% over here around Oregon State. Damaging winds look like this: 5 and 15%. And large hail looks like this right down here in Texas and Louisiana regions as well. Alright, here's a look at the tropics. Final look, and we're just going to show you Tropical Storm Melissa, located in the Central Caribbean Sea. There it is, just south of Haiti, southwest of Haiti, just southeast of Jamaica. Still continue to get stronger, 65 miles an hour winds. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next ones. Have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.